So you can see these are our extruder. The machine has our own logo, Henan Lima Feed Machinery. These are some smaller capacity, like 40 to 200 kg power. And we have electric motor, and also diesel engine. Because you know, Nigeria also sometimes the electricity is not stable or no electricity. This one is also okay.
Now, if the same capacity, the one with diesel engine and the one with electricity, which one is cheaper?
Electricity.
Electricity.
Yes, because in China the electricity is
very
yes, that's the thing. But and also if you have the generator, you can also use the.
I know.
Okay. And these are, you can see, a little bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger capacity. Like this is a 500 kg power.
500 kg.
Yes, but we also have the bigger, like that one is the wet type. The fish feed extruder have the dry type and wet type. The difference between them is that dry type, we can do the fish feed, but wet type is more efficient, and also the same kilowatt will be like bigger capacity, bigger output. Bigger output, and also
that is a dry one.
That is wet. Wet will be bigger output. Okay. The same power, and but it need a boiler.
Boiler, okay.
Yeah, boiler to make the steam. You can see the steam.
Now, what is the difference between the wet and the dry? What makes it different? Is it because of the material or what?
Materials. If you use the wet type, the materials perhaps you can like bigger, wider. Like it will heat the materials better. If you get the feed, will be like better, a little better. But the dry type also can reach that. Wet type, firstly, it's the output. Output will be bigger.
More.
Will be more. But it also needs the boiler to make the steam in it. And it can also like kill the protein, something like the bad
protein.
3 mm, different size. 4 mm.
Now, by the time you get the machines, there are some parts that are very, very important that is replaceable, you know, at interval. I'm sure you are going to give us some
sample.
Not sample.
Pictures.
Like after purchasing, right? You give us extra parts.
Yeah. Give you one size actual. The steak and
their parts,
the
yes.
sleeves.
I will show you.
And I will give you the 5 different modes.
Okay.
Yes.
200 to 300. Yes. This is the whole set.
You said that the scale is free.
Skew. Of course, skew and the soothing. Okay, see, free.
Okay.